Good day, my beautiful, phenomenal people. Dawn Spirit here. I'm here to share my awareness and my knowledge and my spirituality with you today. Tonight is the pink full Libra moon. Okay, the pink Libra full moon, I should say. Okay, so this moon is a phenomenal moon. This moon is a moon for renewal. This moon is about bringing in, manifesting your intentions. This moon is about letting go what is not in harmony of you. This moon is about bringing into your life's purpose on the proper spiritual path to move forward, because we are moving so fast and rapidly now into this fifth dimension that we're leaving the chaotic people and drama negativity in the third moon. So don't be left behind in that third moon with those chaotic, negative, unbalanced people. This moon is about balancing. This moon is about aligning your 7 chakras. Your 7 chakras, which you should manifest on that tonight with a meditation, YouTube video, or some kind of music. There's plenty of chakra balancing videos and songs and music and mantras that you can use. Your crown chakra is purple, okay? Your third eye is blue. That's your third eye chakra. Your throat chakra is light blue. Your heart chakra is green. Your solar chakra is yellow. Your solar chakra is yellow. Your sacral chakra is orange. That's where your navel is. And your root chakra in your private area is red. So those are the 7 chakras that you want to focus on aligning. When you align those chakras, that's when everything starts manifesting. That's what your will, which you have, that you want to focus on positively, you're going to begin to manifest. You're going to be within harmony of yourself. You're going to be calm, no anxiety, no depression. That is your mission. That's your mission tonight, to get to that point so that you can manifest what you want. Okay, remember, this earth is an at-will earth. This earth will manifest. And then when I say manifest means materialize. It will visualize. It will come to you, what you've been focusing on the most. So be careful that make sure that your mind is tight and is right and is lit in the right direction. Okay, no more drama. No more gossiping about people. If you don't like what someone do, just ignore it. It's just background noise. Remember, I always say background noise. I don't do people. I don't do that arguing with people. I don't have time for it. Okay, life is too short. Okay, you can love people that are not in balance with you, that your loved ones, and distance yourself and make yourself still be in the 5th chakra, but let them deal with what they got to do. You can try to show them and guide them and direct them, but if they don't want to be guided, they will soon come to conformation with us and get online where they need to be. Okay, because in this 5th dimension, it's about love, it's about forgiveness, it's about balance, it's about renewal. Okay, it's about walking on that path of your life purpose. Everyone in this world has a spiritual path, and don't be left behind, so you don't have to come back to this earth to refigure it out again, because it's a karmic relationship that you had with yourself in this world, in this life, that wasn't in line with who you were put on this earth to be. You're going to be surrounded over the next 5 years around so many awoke people. A lot of people are waking up. A lot of people are tired of being misled and programmed. I don't even watch reality TV shows. I don't watch none of that drama, none of that negativity. And even when you try to watch a movie anymore just for laughter, they throw in these reality, TV shows and commercial stuff. I don't have time for that, because that lowers your vibration and it brings in chaos in your drama. And you be like, I be praying for this and I be writing, and it doesn't manifest. It's because you're not balanced. You're not in your vortex. You need to be in your vortex so that you can materialize your intentions, manifest your intentions. Tonight is the night where you take your crystals, wash them off with some warm water, warm salt water, and dry them off and place them in your window so the moonlight doesn't have to be directly onto it. Just put it in, place it in your windowsill so it can get the energy from the moon. Any crystals, any spiritual oils, sprays, anything, your intentions that you want to accomplish, you put that list in the windowsill as well. You can light a candle for your intentions. You can do vision boxes. You can put pictures in vision boxes. Anything that you want to manifest. You can start a new way of eating, not a diet, because a diet means diet. Remember that. You want to do a new way of eating, drinking more water, being more in harmony with whom you are. And remember, you can manifest anything you want. If you want a new car, you can manifest that. If you want a new home, you can manifest that. If you want new clothes, new relationship, more positive people in your life, you can manifest anything that you want. Stop saying, I wish, I hope, I'm hoping that it'll happen. No. You say, I am. I am somebody. I am going to do this. I have this. I am rich. I am wealthy. I am prosperous. I am happy. I am loved. I am in a wonderful relationship. I have the karma. You have to act like you already have what you want. That's the secret. The secret is live like you already have what you want. That's the secret. You have to live in that vibration. Because if you notice, every time you repeat the same thing over and over again, it always happens over and over again. That's because that's the vibration, that's the energy that you're sending God, the universe, Allah, Jehovah, whatever your belief is. Okay? That's what you're sending. We are very, very powerful people. People don't realize how wonderful we are. And we are very special people. We all come from a phenomenal, special soul. You are somebody. Don't let nobody tell you that you're less than. Because if someone tells you that you're less than a certain, you have a good heart, remove yourself from that person immediately. Remove yourself from around them because they're of lower vibrations. Remember, they're in the third dimension. Your mission is to stay in the fifth dimension amongst awoke people. And like I said, in the next 5 years, so many people are going to be awoken. You're not even going to have to look for someone that's awoke. You'll already be surrounded by them. And we're moving to another higher conscious in this world, being on another level, unlike any other level that our parents or grandparents have experienced and their ancestors. Our ancestors are behind us, pushing for this new positive world and direction. I promise you. So make sure tonight is the night. Make those attentions. Get it on point. Share this video. Make sure you tap down below. Share this video if you haven't already subscribed. And in the meantime, I'm going to send you some Reiki healing symbols to start your day off for tonight to be in the right direction. This is a new life. This is a new way of living. This is the new you. Embrace it. Love yourself. Because when you love yourself, you will not allow anyone to be around you that's not in line with you and your harmony. So let me give you Reiki symbols right now of Reiki healing energies. Ashe, Dawn Spirit here. I hope and know that you felt this energy when you watch this video. Share with people to bring love and light and positive energy into their lives. I really, from the bottom of my heart, really love you guys. And I'm so happy that I'm able and have the knowledge and the energy and the healing power to send you this message. Love you guys. Peace out. Dawn Spirit signing out.